today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install Epson EcoTank ET-2400 wireless printer. So first of all, if this is a brand new printer, you can initially set up your printer by following the installation guide that came with the printer. So this is how it will look like. You can unpack your printer, power on your printer and fill the ink and load the paper in the printer. Once the printer is initially set up, now it's time to load the printer driver in the computer. So you need to go to the Epson website, that's epson.com, and you need to go to the support tab and select printer tab. Once you click on the printer, you have to look for your printer name. You have to type it. You can simply type it ET-2400, and that's where your printer is. You need to click on it, and then you need to you can see the download tab is already there. This is your printer. You have to choose your operating system. For example, I have Windows 10, so I'm going to choose Windows 10. If in case if you have Windows 11 or if you have Mac operating system, you can scroll down and find your computer, your operating system. Once you click on that operating system and click on go, you will see the driver will be available here. It is coming up right now. Just give it few seconds. You can see right here, right? So this is where you need to click on download. I'll click on download. It will be downloaded here, and once it's downloaded, you need to double click on that downloaded file and it will run the setup and set up your printer. You have to just follow the instruction step by step. So you need to double click on it and click on yes, and it will begin your installation on your computer. So that's it. This is how you can set up your printer. If you have any question, you can comment it in the video and I'll reply it there. I'll also provide you the link of the driver and the user and the setup guide in the video description. So thank you so much.